sweet crafting friends, welcome back to Sweet Bay Lane. Or if you're new, welcome, I'm Tracy. I'm so glad you took the time to stop in and craft with us, because the DIY craft project in this video is made mostly of Dollar Tree supplies, and it serves as the perfect keepsake for this upcoming holiday season. It'll be perfect for your decor or for gift giving. So let's go ahead and get started. The main supplies we'll need for this DIY are going to be these wood shapes from the Dollar Tree. They come in a Christmas tree and a little snowman shape, along with these wood cubes. Now these wood cubes measure 1 3/8 inches, but on the package it will say 1.5 inches. I've seen them all over, but I purchased these at Hobby Lobby. But I've also seen them at Lowe's in the department where they sell the table DIY stuff with the table legs. They have a beautiful woodcraft section. You need to check it out. And we start by taking our snowman figure and we're going to glue it with some wood glue to the top of our cube. And once that's dried, we're then going to flip it over and we're going to glue the tree on the bottom side of our cube. And to balance it so the tree will dry properly, you'll just need some little risers, just high enough that your snowman doesn't touch. I'm going to be using these little pieces of wood I have that are perfect, but you can use anything that's even, like 2 canned goods or something like that, whatever you have on hand. And once it's dried, you have this beautiful wood finial. Now we're going to move on and we're going to paint our wood finial. I'm going to be painting mine with spray paint from Rust-Oleum in a satin red apple. And once our paint is dried, you're left with this beautiful finish. Now we're going to move on to personalizing our wood finial. And for this, you'll just need to print out 4 photos. I printed out these little photos of me when I was a child with my grandfather, my mother, and my little brother. And you can do this one of 2 ways. You can put the block on top of your photos and trace around and then cut out. Or the way I did it is I put my picture on top of my wood cube, ran my fingers around the edge of the cube, and then that way I have a little cutting line on the back side of my photo. You'll do this for all 4 photos. You'll cut them out with a sharp pair of scissors. Then you're going to be left with these 4 adorable little photos. Then we're going to glue them onto our cube. By using some Elmer's purple glue stick, we're going to apply the glue stick to the block itself and then to the back side of our photos. And then we have this beautiful photo finial. Now we're going to move on and embellish the top side of our finial. And to do that, I'm just going to tie 2 simple bows. Now the tutorial for this bow in detail I'll have listed in the description box below. But we're going to make 2 of these bows. Then we're going to glue them on the top side of our finial back to back. Once we have our bows glued on, we're then going to come in with this frosted greenery. We're going to snip some small pieces and then glue them to the top side as well. I then come in and finish my piece with these little jingle bells and a twine hanger. Now I purchased these jingle bells at Hobby Lobby in their ribbon department, but you can also use the little jingle bells from the Dollar Tree. I love how these little keepsake ornaments turned out. And could you imagine getting like a set of 6 or 8 with all different photos? I think that would be so magical. I can't wait to do that for this upcoming holiday season. And if this little DIY got you in the Christmas spirit, go ahead and watch these videos here for more inspiration. Until next time, keep it crafty.